I'm Saidin and welcome back to my channel Saidin. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the latest software update details and what is the size of the update and what are the features and how much time it actually takes to completely install in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends, this is iQOO 7 smartphone, and this update is something special because I'm waiting for this kind of update for the past, I think, few days, and after losing a lot of patience, and just yesterday night I did upload a video before sleeping actually, as you can see, friends. So this is a video which I uploaded. So finally today evening, a lot of users, they started to receive this kind of update. So let me try to show you exactly what variant I'm trying to use in this video. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to use the iQOO 7, which is a 8GB and 3GB variant, as you can see clearly. And with this kind of latest update, few of the problems will actually got fixed, but let's not come to the conclusion after doing the real world test. Only then we can come into conclusion. First, let's see what is the update size and what are the features it got included in the update. So as you can see, this is the update version which we got, so 1.72.9. This exact update version, as you can see, and the update size is of close to 233 MB. As you can see, friends, 233 MB. And you can see the first thing is about a system. So update to the June 2021 security patch. So this month security patch we have received, that's good. And next is optimization vibrations in certain game scenarios. Yes, friends, before the update, so right now, so 4D vibrations, they are actually good, they are really good, but they are not consistent. So when you're trying to go in a vehicle in the PUBG game, so you'll get constant vibration. It's sometimes kind of irritation for me. Yes, so in some scenarios the 4D vibrations is not that effective, so maybe that problem got fixed, I think so. Next is a fix with the occasional issue with the screen flickering. That's really interesting, screen flickering. So on this screen flickering, I did many of the videos as well on the iQOO 7 device, showing you the live demonstration, iQOO 7 versus other smartphones. So no other smartphones in this kind of price range, they have this kind of issue except this iQOO 7 device. So maybe that might be fixed with this kind of update, but let's see, is it true or not? We will be able to know in my way of testing. Only then we can decide whether it's actually working or not. As you can see, friends, exactly the size is of 233 MB. So after this update, I'll try to do the multiple tests like Android benchmark test and the CPU throttling test, a lot of other tests. So we'll make sure everything was okay with this update, no other issues. The reason is because there are other issues happening with the Realme X1 Max particular update. So there's a lot of issues is going on, but let's see. So how much time it actually takes to download and install this particular update. That is what this stopwatch is about. So my internet plan, my broadband plan is about close to 93 Mbps, 94 Mbps. So it should be done within a matter of few minutes. Let's see, friends, how much more time. Yeah, the Realme X1 Max has got a lot of bugs with the latest software issue. So much of problems, friends, so many problems. In the camera is not even opening the camera. It's totally ridiculous. Make sure to check this video. That's totally not good, but let's see whether it's happening in the iQOO 7 or not. So it took about 26 seconds to completely download the file, which is of not that big file. So this is my third update which I have received. This is my third update, and every time I get the update, I'll try to take a screenshot and I'll try to keep in the gallery. So then later on we can discuss how many updates I have got in that kind of month. That is what I do regularly every time I get a phone. And after this, once after the installation, so then I'll be able to test the Android benchmark score and testing the CPU throttling test, even doing speed test comparison with other smartphones as well if possible. So all those kind of testings I can definitely do in the next couple of hours. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So right now it's taking some time. So before doing this kind of installation process, the battery percentage was about, I think, close to 82%. So if you want, you can even take a look at how much battery percentage decreased during this kind of update. So there are a couple of things you need to know, friends. First, make sure to comment below so you have received the update or not. Maybe after some days I'll try to again catch up with you all. So what is going on with this kind of update? Is there any problems this update is causing instead of fixing? So sometimes this software updates is they'll definitely make some kind of mess. So the phone will be perfectly all right. There will be one small problem. To fix that one small problem, they will end up giving other problems to the other applications. That is what happened with the Realme X1 Max. Hopefully we should get some kind of the updates, but let's see whether it should not be there in this kind of iQOO 7 smartphone. That is what I was hoping for. So let's see, friends, my main problem was screen flickering and this kind of green tint and network connectivity 4G stability. That is what I did expect the network stability update, but I did not receive that network stability update. So let's see whether this problem will actually fix any kind of green tint issue or not, because I did not mention any kind of green tint. But let's see the screen flickering as well. So I'll try to compare with other smartphones so we can get to know the screen flickering, whether it's happening or not. And right now it time took about 3 minutes of time. So I just want to show you friends how much time it takes actually in this phone to completely update. That is what my main purpose of doing these kind of videos. So I thought of including in one single video so you know exactly what is the update file and how much time it actually takes. So there is no percentage representation here. So if there is some kind of percentage representation somewhere around here, that would be really good. So for the viewers, they can definitely check how much percentage is going on instead of this one single line. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you receive the update or not. So I just want to know about your exact situation. So you're still waiting for the update. If you receive, what is the version? If it is something different from my version, then make sure to comment below, because some users, they are receiving the .8 version, so 1.72.8, and someone like me, they are receiving 1.72.9. That's slightly a change. But one thing is that the iQOO Z3 did receive the network stability update in this phone. So I think a couple of days back I just got the update in terms of the network stability. Let me try to show you the screenshot. So here's a screenshot which I got. As you can see, friend, optimize the network ability in some regions for more stable connection. This is what I got update in the iQOO Z3 mobile phone. As you can clearly see, iQOO Z3. I was expecting the same kind of update, so which might be this kind of update 1.76.2, but that's not the case. I did not receive that update, so unfortunately. So at least one problem got solved. So maybe the screen flickering problem got solved, I think so, hopefully. So let's not come into the conclusion now itself. And right now the time is about close to 5 minutes of time. So 5 minutes and still it's getting booted up. Let's see how much more time this phone actually requires completely to install. And right now it's showing optimizing the apps. So there are right now about 158 apps in my complete phone. So I'll keep you posted friends, what are the drawbacks and all the problems with this kind of update it may create. So that is what I'm going to do for the next few days, investigation on this new update, and then I'll be coming back with another video. And finally it's done. So 5 minutes and 44 seconds of time, total time it took, and the battery percentage drained about 2% of the battery percentage. So that is what I'm going to mention right now. So hopefully the screen flickering issue should have been slightly fixed. That is what I was expecting. Let's see what will happen. Let me try to quickly go to the software update option, and is a quick version, as you can see friends, 1.72.9. finally I received in the iQOO 7 device. It's here. So it's happened friends. And finally, after yesterday's that video posted, I really got pissed off, because a lot of other users are getting and some users are not getting it. It's been close to 5 to 6 days, and finally we got it. And don't worry, I'll try to test this phone completely in terms of the performance, display and all those details, mainly screen flickering and 4D vibrations also, as I'll come with another video on that particular topic, whether it's fixed or not. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye. Not CE.